Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to my channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, I have something truly breathtaking to share with you all. We're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of the Great Barrier Reefs. Are you ready for an unforgettable underwater journey? Well, grab your flippers and let's dive right in. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. Spanning over 2,300 kilometers, this underwater wonderland holds an awe-inspiring ecosystem that is home to countless marine species. Can you believe this? I feel like I've been transported into a real-life Finding Nemo movie. The beauty of swimming through this underwater paradise is simply indescribable. The water is so clear, and the colors are so vibrant that it feels like I'm drifting through a dream. Exploring the Great Barrier Reef means encountering some of the most diverse marine species in the world. From the majestic sea turtles gracefully gliding through the waters to schools of playful clownfish hiding amidst the coral, every turn brings a delightful surprise. Coral reefs are not only beautiful but also crucial for our planet's health. They serve as a habitat for countless marine organisms and protect coastlines from erosion. Sadly, due to climate change and human activities, these precious ecosystems are under threat. It's up to us to protect and preserve their beauty for generations to come. But there is hope. Many incredible organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to save and restore the Great Barrier Reef. They're using innovative techniques to grow new corals and rehabilitate damaged areas, ensuring that this natural wonder remains a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. Isn't it amazing to witness the positive impact these conservation efforts are making? We can all play a part in safeguarding the Great Barrier Reef and other marine ecosystems. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, reducing plastic waste, and supporting sustainable practices, we can protect the beauty that lies beneath the waves. Next, we're embarking on a captivating journey to one of the most remarkable archaeological sites in the world, Machu Picchu, Peru. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, this ancient Incan city is a testament to the remarkable craftsmanship, architectural genius, and rich history of the Inca civilization. So, let's dive deep into the secrets and mysteries of Machu Picchu. Before we begin our expedition, it's important to understand the significance and background of this exceptional place. Machu Picchu was constructed around the 15th century by the Inca civilization, but it remained relatively unknown until its rediscovery in 1911 by Hiram Bingham, an American explorer. Spanning over 32,000 hectares, Machu Picchu sits at an altitude of 2,430 meters above sea level, providing awe-inspiring panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Its breathtaking location was undoubtedly chosen with great care and purpose. As we explore this ancient city, you'll notice its remarkable architectural features, such as the impressive stone terraces that seamlessly blend with the natural landscape. The precision of their construction is astonishing, reflecting the Incans' advanced knowledge of engineering and masonry. The stones used in building Machu Picchu are so meticulously carved that they fit together perfectly without mortar, demonstrating the astonishing craftsmanship of the Inca people. This remarkable feat has allowed the structures to withstand earthquakes and harsh weather conditions for centuries. Since its discovery, countless researchers and archaeologists have dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries surrounding Machu Picchu. While the exact purpose of this mystical city remains a topic of debate, experts believe it served as an elite estate for the Inca emperor, Pachacuti. Another fascinating aspect of Machu Picchu is its strategic location. This remarkable feat has allowed the structures to withstand earthquakes and harsh weather conditions for centuries. Since its discovery, countless researchers and archaeologists have dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries surrounding Machu Picchu. While the exact purpose of this mystical city remains a topic of debate, experts believe it served as an elite estate for the Inca emperor, Pachacuti. Another fascinating aspect of Machu Picchu is its strategic location. To protect this magnificent site, the Peruvian government has implemented strict regulations and limited the number of daily visitors. So, Be sure to plan your trip in advance and secure the necessary permits. When visiting Machu Picchu, I highly recommend taking the breathtaking Inca Trail, a multi-day hike that lets you immerse yourself in the stunning Andean scenery, passing through magnificent mountain ranges, cloud forests, and unique Incan ruins along the way. If hiking isn't your thing, don't worry. There are other alternative routes, such as the Sacred Valley or the Hiram Bingham Train, which offer a more leisurely but equally enchanting journey to Machu Picchu. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply in awe of remarkable places, Machu Picchu is a destination that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Its grandeur, mystique, and rich cultural heritage make it a must-visit place for anyone passionate about exploring the wonders of our world. And with that, we conclude our virtual expedition through the captivating ruins of Machu Picchu, Peru. Remember, our planet has endless marvels waiting to be discovered, so stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop seeking the extraordinary.